Hello guys, in this video we will explain how to add a decorated keyboard to your phone. It is a very simple method. All you have to do and follow the steps explained in this video, but before broadcasting in the explanation, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share the video. Thank you from the heart to everyone who does it. Now let's go to the explanation. The first step, my friend, is to go to your store for applications on the phone, then download this application that appears to you now. After downloading the application, give it the necessary permissions to work. The application is in the free version and the paid version. The free version has ads. After opening the application, you will find it as follows. Give it the permissions and settings that suit you. After that, we go to any means of social communication to try the keyboard. As you can see, this is the keyboard, and you can customize it as you wish by clicking on this icon. Here you can set up the application according to your desire. This was the topic of today's video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. Inquiries for any problems or suggestions, write them in the comments and we will meet in an upcoming video, God willing.